who doesn't love love, guys? Because I definitely love love. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cleaning, decorating and getting my home ready for Valentine's Day, which is just 2 weeks away. And also our wedding anniversary is just a few days before Valentine's Day, which makes this season very memorable for us. So I thought to share some inspiration in case you would like to decorate your home for Valentine's Day. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I was literally running to make sure I catch the sunlight, while filming this video, because for some reason I just love, having sunlight into like my living room, especially when I'm cleaning. So of course, you guys, I went ahead and opened up the curtains to let in some light, and also I moved the center, what is it called, my coffee table, so that way it makes it so much easier for me to go ahead and clean, and vacuum the whole living room. And we're going to be starting from the living room today. This is going to be kind of my living room, hallway, kitchen, bedroom. We're just going to kind of decorate and clean. This cold got my voice messed up, so you guys please just pardon my voice. I know my voice is not like vibrant like it usually is, but yeah, I'm just going ahead to move out the kind of the console table in my hallway. Just make sure I vacuum everywhere. And also for my living room, I'm gonna be kind of switching up my rug. You guys, I absolutely love this fluffy rug. If you remember my decor, I think last year, before I changed up the rug to the flat rug, I always loved this kind of fluffy rug. But the only thing I don't really enjoy about the fluffy rug is the fact that it's 8 by 10, so that way I have to draw my couch closer, so that way at least the feet of the couch can be touching the rug. So when I do that, it makes my living room look smaller. But one thing about decor is you can always switch it up. So I might probably be in the mood for some fluffy rug today, and then tomorrow I will just go back to my regular rug, or even put the white rug I used for my Christmas decor. Anyways, you guys, so over here I'm going ahead to kind of clean and dust, because when you go ahead and sweep, even though I'm not sweeping, guys, like I didn't sweep, that's another thing I absolutely love about vacuum. Like when you vacuum, you're not raising dust or anything, but I'm just going ahead to just wipe everything down, clean, and make sure everything is ready before then we begin to decorate. Honestly, guys, when it comes to our color for this year, like I'm so obsessed with kind of light pink. I would say maybe baby pink. It's kind of the same color I have on my my dress. I don't know what it is. I wanted to do gold, but I was like now, because you guys know I'm so in love with gold. So like for some reason I've just been craving for kind of a light pink, like a baby pink color. So that is exactly kind of the theme for this year's Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love how everything came out. So of course I'm going ahead to kind of clean my coffee table, my end table, my console table, everything that needs cleaning. One thing, especially with winter, is there's always a lot of dust. I don't know if winter and summer, I don't know which one carries the most dust, because I feel like because of the fact that everywhere is always cold during winter, right, kind of dust always settles on surfaces. So I absolutely am thankful for my spray wig cleaner, because it helps me a lot. All right, so over here I went ahead and added these two stools by the side of my bar section in my living room. And also I decided to add that flower vase by my fireplace. And then over here I'm just keeping this area of my living room very, very simple and very, very chic. So I went ahead and added this pink flower, of course, and then also I added some decorative books, and I'm adding some candle holder, and also I decided to go ahead and start putting up my pillows. And with that small chair or something right there. I decided to put a pink pillow, and also with my pillow decor, I'm keeping it kind of white and pink. I feel like white and pink just made everything look so cute. And also I decided to add this throw blanket I got from, was this from Home Goods, I think, and also this gorgeous pillow. And you guys, excuse my dress, I have on a very nice like tight right there, so you can't see nothing, but kind of the design of the dress makes it, the back and the front is a little shorter than the sides. So but you know, I just wanted to let you guys know that yeah, I have on tights. There's nothing is going to be peeping in the video. But yeah, you guys, I went ahead and, you know, decorated and added my my pillows on my couch, and look how everything just looks. I love that pop of like hot pink in my console table because it just made everything look so good. And then over here I decided to keep my coffee table very, very simple. I added this the decorative books, and also I decided to go with this gorgeous kind of slim vase I also picked up from Home Goods. And over here I'm going ahead to add this these decorative ornaments, the metal hat, and then I went ahead and put on my candles because we definitely need everywhere to smell really, really nice. And I absolutely love the smell, you know, that was coming out from that candle. And over here for my end table, I decided to keep it very simple too. I added some decorative books, and also for my entryway console table, I just kept it very, very simple, very, very neutral. Like, judging from this side of my entryway, like, you won't even know it's Valentine's Day. I just decided to keep it very, very neutral and simple, and that is it. So let's get to the good part. All right, so for my kitchen, I decided to use my my dishwasher today. You guys, you know my struggles with dishwasher. Like, I always prefer to just go ahead and do my dishes, you know, by hand, because kind of the dishwasher always makes everything so much prolonged, and so kind of, I don't even know how to explain it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and feed the dishes inside the dishwasher, and then over here I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink, because you know, we had some plates inside the sink. And yeah, I'm just gonna be using my awesome spray. I absolutely love that particular product right there. To think it's only $1, you guys, from the Dollar Tree. Like, oh my gosh, I love that product, especially when it comes to like degreasing, to cleaning. And once I'm done with my sink, I'm going ahead to kind of wipe my countertop, you know, go ahead and put that kind of fire looking grass plants on that area. And also I added kind of my paper towel holder and these fresh flowers I bought last week. And also I'm gonna go ahead and kind of wipe down my kitchen hood. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my stove, just, you know, make sure everywhere is nice and clean. Like, my kitchen is actually one place I absolutely love keeping clean, because you guys know, because of the fact that you always have food items and things, like if you don't keep your kitchen clean, you're going to end up with maybe roach infestation. You're going to end up with a smell, you know. Like, my kitchen, no matter how tired I am, I always make sure I clean my kitchen every single night. Like, my kitchen, I would say, is the cleanest place in my home, because I was just brought up that way. And over here I'm going ahead also with my Sprayway stainless steel cleaner. One thing I love about Sprayway is the fact that they have every product for whatever it is you're cleaning. So I went ahead and wiped down my refrigerator, my my microwave, my dishwasher, and right now my dishes, they are ready. So I'm going ahead to unload it, because another thing with my dishwasher is sometimes when I do the dishes, right, most times I forget it. Like sometimes I remember that I have dishes that are already washed in my dishwasher. Just when I'm probably about to use a particular dish, then I'll be like, where is my dish? Like, where is this plate? And then I remember it's still in the dishwasher. So I'm just going ahead to unload my dishwasher, and also I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. And yep, you guys, just make sure everywhere is nice and clean before then I go ahead to begin fixing up and decorating my kitchen. Please, you guys, please hit that like button below if you're enjoying this video, because like I absolutely love filming this kind of video for you guys. But the thing is, it's actually one of the longest videos to film, because you have to keep carrying your camera, getting those angles. And of course, you guys, I feel like my dining table is my favorite part of this year's Valentine's Day decor, because I just love how everything came out. And of course, I went ahead and put on some placemats, and also I put on my flat plate. And over here I'm just going ahead to put put my my dining table together. And I absolutely love this heart-shaped bowl I picked up from Home Goods. And I'm also going to go ahead and put on some wine glass. And for my center table scape, I'm going to go ahead and add up this candle holder and also some flower vase. I absolutely love this. To think this was, I think, $12.99 or so from Valentine, right? I'm talking of the vase. So I went ahead and added that up, put on some flowers. And you guys, for my stove, I decided to add this this very nice flower, what is it called, oh my gosh, what is this called? Bikono towel, right? Towel. I went ahead and added that towel. And also for my kitchen island, I always like to have something eatable. If it's not candy, it's chocolate or also some pastries. So over here I'm adding some cornbread, and on top of it I decided to add some red velvet cake. And I absolutely love how everything came together, guys. Also, if you see anything in my home that you love, you guys, I always make sure to link every single thing you can see in my home in my description box, especially like maybe new add-ons like the plates you guys see me using, anything you see in my videos. Definitely check it out in my description box, because I always try to link everything, like my couch, my dining table, my dining chair, my rug, anything at all, guys. And also please make sure you follow me on the free Like to Know It app, because I constantly load products there. And also on my Amazon storefronts, like I always kind of give you guys some suggestion, especially like if you're confused on how to go about like decorating your home. I have a lot of product recommendations. I always give you guys on my Amazon and also my Like to Know It page, so definitely make sure you follow that page. All right, you guys, so for my bedroom, I decided to keep the bedroom very, very simple, very, very neutral. Just throw in a a pop of pink here and there, because you guys, like when you have a man, like when you have a husband, you know, not all men like that like pink color. I believe, like I feel like I can do any color in our bedroom and hubby won't be like, okay babe, this right here is just a woman's bedroom, right? Except pink. For some reason men always feel like pink is just too feminine for them. So when it came to the bedroom, I decided to keep it very, very subtle with the pink. I just added some pink pillow, and of course my teddy. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this teddy. This was the very first teddy hubby got me when we were dating, so I've always kept that. I'm talking of the big one, the big teddy. I've always kept that teddy all these years. I can't believe we are almost 13 years in marriage, guys, and that teddy have been with me. Anyways, you guys, so over here I'm just going ahead. Like I said, as you all can see, I didn't even do like a shouty pink, you know, for the bedroom decor. I just wanted to keep it very, very simple and neutral, because yeah, hubby is around and he's not a fan of pink, even though I absolutely love pink, and also the girls, they love pink a lot. So I just put pink here and there, like that pink hat pillow right there. I got it from Amazon, and I'm also gonna link it in my description box. And also I just added like few touches of pinks, you know, here and there, like of my flower. And you know, for the bedroom, for the bed also, I just kept it very, very neutral. You guys can tell we absolutely love gray, and that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Yeah, brick by brick now.